Diagnosing engine health requires precision and the right tools. The best leak down tester helps identify cylinder leaks, pinpointing issues with valves, piston rings, or head gaskets. Let's explore top-rated options that deliver accuracy, durability, and professional-grade performance for mechanics and DIYers. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. XiTuanYuan Leak Down Tester. The XiTuanYuan Leak Down Tester is a dependable diagnostic tool designed for accurately detecting a wide range of common engine faults. This tester is particularly useful for identifying issues like piston ring, wear, cylinder head cracks, valve problems, and cylinder head seal bursts, making it an excellent companion for both professionals and DIY mechanics. It works by checking the amount of leakage in engine cylinders and determining the source of the leakage, giving you a clear picture of the engine's health. One of its standout features is the ability to connect to compressed air within a range of 45 to 100 psi, thanks to its integrated pressure regulator. Once connected, the device allows you to observe the leakage levels on the cylinder gauge while also listening for telltale leaks across the system. The XiTuanYuan kit is versatile, suitable for 4-stroke engines in trucks and cars with limited clearance. The package is thoughtfully equipped with a 48 cm recoil hose, 10 mm and 12 mm spark plug adapters, M14 and M16 fixed connectors, dual gauges for pressure and cylinder leakage, and a durable storage case. The inclusion of an air regulator and a clear instruction manual adds to the ease of use. What makes it even more appealing is its straightforward operation. Remove the Schrader valve, secure the hose, calibrate the gauge, and start diagnosing. While it is not suitable for shallow cylinders, its effectiveness for standard engines is impressive. Overall, the XiTuanYuan Leak Down Tester offers precision, ease of operation, and a comprehensive set of accessories, making it a reliable choice for identifying engine problems quickly and efficiently. Number 2. KPARTS Leak Down Tester. The KPARTS Leak Down Tester is a universal and versatile diagnostic tool designed for both local and imported cars and trucks. This dual-gauge leak-down tester kit is perfect for detecting a variety of common engine faults such as worn piston rings, cracked cylinder heads, worn valves, and blown head gaskets. By checking the level of leakage in 4-stroke engines, it helps pinpoint the exact source of engine troubles. This makes it an essential tool not only for professional mechanics, but also for enthusiasts who want to ensure their vehicles are running at optimal performance. One of its key advantages is its universal fitment, which makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, even those with minimal clearance. The kit is thoughtfully packaged with everything needed for efficient testing, including a 480 mm flexible hose, 12 mm and 14 mm spark plug adapters, an M14 fixed short connector, an M16 fixed long connector, pressure and cylinder leakage gauges, an air regulator, and a durable carrying case for easy storage. The dual gauges provide accurate readings, ensuring you can clearly determine the extent of leakage and the potential problem areas. Its design emphasizes reliability and ease of use, allowing for quick setup and straightforward operation. Simply connect it to the air source, secure the adapter, and begin testing while observing the gauge readings. Number 3. Orion Motor Tech Leak Down Tester. The Orion Motor Tech Leak Down Tester is a complete and professional-grade diagnostic kit designed to help you quickly and accurately detect engine cylinder leakage. Known for its comprehensive design, this kit includes everything you need to perform a detailed inspection, from dual gauges with large, easy-to-read dials to multiple adapters and even a spark plug tester. The dual gauges are encased in durable, shockproof rubber and measure a large 2.7 inches, ensuring clear visibility and precision during testing. This tester is versatile and works with gasoline engines across a wide spectrum of vehicles, including cars, trucks, ATVs, UTVs, motorcycles, and even lawnmowers. The built-in M14 connector, along with included M10 and M12 adapters, makes it adaptable to a variety of engine types and sizes. One of its standout features is the inclusion of a spark plug tester, which allows users to troubleshoot ignition failures, defective connections, or late timing, further enhancing the accuracy of diagnostics. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy, the Orion Motor Tech Leak Down Tester is built to withstand wear, torsion, corrosion, and shock, ensuring durability for years of dependable service. The precision readings provided by this tester help identify issues like worn piston rings, cylinder wall cracks, faulty valves, or blown head gaskets with ease. Additionally, Its ease of use makes it suitable not only for professional mechanics, but also for DIY users who want reliable results at home. Number 4. BZJUNZE Leak Down Tester. The BZJUNZE Leak Down Tester is an upgraded and highly functional tool designed for diagnosing common engine issues with precision. Compatible with most gasoline engines equipped with spark plugs under 20 mm, this TU-21 leak down compression tester and cylinder leakage kit is both versatile and reliable. Its primary function is to identify problems such as worn piston rings, cracked cylinder walls, blown head gaskets, and worn valves. By connecting the tester to an air compressor, users can easily evaluate the health of their engines by observing leakage readings and listening for problem points across the system. The design emphasizes simplicity. Just install the hose on the cylinder, connect the tester to the air supply, calibrate the leak counter, and secure the hose for quick diagnosis. What sets this tester apart is the inclusion of 6 new accessories, offering greater flexibility and options compared to standard kits. In addition to the dual-gauge manifold, rubber hose, and metal adapters, it also comes with 2 universal pushing connectors, 2 threaded adapters, an M14 extension rod, and an extension hose. These added accessories provide enhanced compatibility and user convenience, especially for different engine setups. The quality construction ensures durability and reliability, while the brand's service guarantee gives peace of mind, offering replacement if any quality issues arise within a year. Its dual gauges provide accurate readings for both pressure and leakage, making diagnostics straightforward. Number 5. OTC Leak Down Tester. The OTC Leak Down Tester is a professional-grade tool designed for accurately diagnosing internal engine problems. Well regarded for its reliability and precision, this tester quickly identifies issues such as bad piston rings, leaking valves, or damaged head gaskets. Its dual-gauge system is designed with 2.5-inch dials that measure both pressure, 0 to 100 psi, and leakage, 0 to 700 kilopascals, providing clear and easy-to-read results. The gauges are equipped with chrome bezels and rugged protective boots, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance even in demanding workshop conditions. One of the highlights of this tester is its pressure-regulated manifold with quick couplers, which allows for fast and secure connections during testing. The 24-inch flexible hose enhances convenience by making it easy to reach engine cylinders, while the included spark plug adapters, 10 mm, 12 mm, and 18 mm, provide compatibility with a wide variety of applications. This makes it suitable for both professional workshops and enthusiasts handling multiple engine types. The entire kit is neatly organized in a rugged blow-molded storage case with a removable lid, keeping all components secure and protected when not in use. The OTC Leak Down Tester also comes with a detailed instruction chart, making it easier for both beginners and experienced users to operate efficiently. Known for its solid construction and reliable performance, it ensures that engine issues can be diagnosed quickly and accurately, saving time and avoiding unnecessary repairs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.